Lot-Lot de Leon, nakakaiyak at madamdamin ang naging huling mensahe para kay Yaya Pat. Sumakabilang buhay na ang isa sa pinakamalapit sa puso ni Lot-Lot de Leon at parte na ng kanilang pamilya, ang yaya ni Janine Gutierrez na si Yaya Pat. Kaya naman nagbahagi ng mahabang mensahe at pamamaalam ang ina ni Janine na si Lot-Lot de Leon. Ayon pa nga sa naging mensahe ni Balot sa kanyang Instagram account. Ilang buwan pa lang ang nakakalipas mula nang mawalan kami namang mahal sa buhay. Ngayon, isa na namang malapit sa amin ang namaalam. Yaya Pat has been part of our family for almost 40 years. She first took care of Ken, my youngest brother, her sister Ate Ami, who worked for money for more than 20 years and was her longest personal assistant, was the one who recommended Yaya Pat to help take care of Ken when he was just a newborn. Later on, she transferred to me right before I gave birth to Janine. From that moment on, Yaya Pat became one of the greatest blessings to me, to Monching, and to our children. She loved and cared for each one of us wholeheartedly, especially our kids. I honestly couldn't have imagined trusting anyone else with my children the way I trusted her. We will forever be grateful for her loyalty, her kindness, and the unconditional love she gave our family. Through the years, she will always be part of our family and her family, ours forever. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa mga anak namin ni Mon. Rest now. Mahal ka namin. Laking pasasalamat nga ni Lot-Lot kay Yaya Pat na naging pangalawang nanay na ng kanyang mga anak, at sabi nga ni Balot na hindi niya kailanman may pagkakatiwala ang anak niya sa pagtitiwalang ibinibigay niya kay Yaya Pat, dahil nakita niya kung paano magmahal si Yaya Pat sa mga anak niya at kung paano natuto rin ang mga anak niya dahil kay Yaya. Condolence sa buong pamilya ni Yaya Pat, ganun din sa pamilya ni Lot-Lot. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.